In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add black screen in CapCut PC. If you need a solid black clip for a text background, a pause between scenes, or just a clean transition space in your edit, CapCut on PC makes this really simple. The good news is that you do not need to create anything manually from scratch, because CapCut already includes built-in background templates you can use right away. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of CapCut and click on the Media tab. This is where your available visual assets are organized. Once you're inside Media, look over to the side column in that panel and click on Library. This section opens up CapCut's built-in collection of ready-to-use assets, including simple backgrounds and other visual elements. If you have not explored this area before, it is a very useful place to know, especially when you need quick filler visuals or clean design plates for editing. Next, look toward the top of the asset grid and find the thumbnail labeled Black Screen. It should appear as a plain, solid black template. When you see it, click and hold on that thumbnail, then drag it down into your timeline. Drop it onto track 1, either at the beginning of your project or at the end, depending on where you want the black screen to appear. Placing it on track 1 keeps things simple and makes it easy to manage in your main edit flow. Once the black screen is in your timeline, you can adjust it to the exact duration you need. Click once on the black screen clip so it is selected, then move your mouse to the right edge of the clip. When your cursor changes into a double-sided resize arrow, click and hold, then drag to the right to extend the clip. This increases the length of the black screen so it stays visible for more time in your project. As you do this, keep an eye on the preview window in the center of CapCut. That preview helps confirm that the black screen is active and lasting as long as you want. This is especially useful if you are adding text over a blank background or creating breathing room between two scenes. A longer black screen can also help match your voiceover timing more precisely. And that's it. You've gone from the Media tab into the Library, dragged the black screen into track 1, and stretched the right edge to set the duration. That's the easiest way to add a black screen in CapCut on PC, and you're all set.